Hello, my dear one. Today, I would love to share with you actually two super powerful questions that will super accelerate the manifestation of that which you want. Be it something very specific, business related or life related, whatever it is that you want, these two questions can help you to really super accelerate the creative manifesting process. So let's dive right into this. Write these two questions down. That would be my suggestion. And that is, first question, what would I love to co-create next? That's question number one. And how would I love to co-create this? Two super simple questions. And yet, when they're used correctly, there is limitless power in them. So let's dive into how to use them in the most powerful way and why they are so powerful. So before you're going to use these questions to really switch on that internal guidance, if you like, the intuition, very powerfully, you've got to do this. You've got to connect with the energy of success. Meaning, just for a few minutes, perhaps you can close your eyes and think of you when you living your life and running your business in a way that you truly desire. Whatever is the highest version of it is available to you. Go there. Go there as in, I am that woman that whatever is it that you desire next, that makes 6-7 figure impact on the world a year, that is living in this abundance. Notice, go there with your imagination, go into this 4D reality and notice what you see, notice what you feel. Go there. For a few minutes is plenty. Until you feel that energy of this success, energy of this high version of you in your body. I suggest when you imagine that, to look through your own eyes, if it was already done, if you already lived that reality, so in associated way. Because what you're doing there, you really are very powerfully connecting with that level of your next level identity, with identity of a version of you that is so successful, so impactful, so generous, so abundant, etc. So that is very important, that you feel that energy in your body before you use these two manifesting questions. Why? Because we're talking about here to switch on your inner guidance in the most powerful way. And your guidance is working at all times. And your inner guidance will give you ideas or the next steps or solutions from whichever energy you're in. So if you're in, let's say, needy or desperate energy or energy of lack, and you're asking, what do I do next? Or how do I fix this? Or what do I need to do to create this? If you're in energy of lack, you will get some idea. You will get some guidance. But that idea, that guidance will match that energy of, say, lack or desperation or need. And that the outcome of implementing that idea will give you more of that, more of lack, more of need, more of desperation. So, none of these lower energies are allowed when you're using these questions. You've got to first always connect with that solution, always connect with that energy of success, and do it in an associated way. So through your own eyes, feel this energy in your body first. It typically takes seconds, if not seconds, minutes. Okay? So that's number one. Number two, then you, from this energy, once you're feeling this in your body, you are asking maybe for what specifically you're supposed to co-create. So you ask, okay, what I would love to co-create next. So you're in energy of success. So this is giving you more specific guidance, right? So an idea may come to you, well, I would love to, I don't know, go for a trip to some country, and that's my next co-creation. Or I would love to create this new program, or whatever it might be. So you will get more specific symbol of the next level version of you. So more specific intention. What would I love to co-create next? Now notice the word keywords here are what would I and love to. So I is now, because you're connected with that energy of success, with that identity, I is not your current version of self. I is your higher version of self. It's your soul. It's the next level of your identity. So what would I, and then love to, not have to, not what do I need to do, what would I love to, and co-create this. Co-create meaning I, as a physical person, co-create with the universal, much larger part of self. So what would I love to co-create? So that will give you the more specifics. What is that next intention you want to set and accept? Okay, this is me. This shall be. Be that trip, be that next new offering, be that whatever is coming, new book or whatever it might come through you in this way. And the next question is, okay, great. Now, how would I love to co-create this? And this is super powerful question, because again, be mindful that I, again, is from identity of that version of you, which already you are living this. You already have this. You already have that best-selling book. You already have those millions. You already are attracting those amazing clients. You already are doing this kind of trips on a regular. You're thinking from that. You're opening yourself up for guidance from that energy, from that I. How would I, or if you need to, change it for how would this version of me love to co-create this. So this higher version of me, not my current self, because I tell you what, your current self may argue with it, but I'm not ready for it. But it's hard. It's not part of my normal, blah, 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 blah. But this is what you hone in. How would I, meaning how would this version of me, my abundant, my successful, my next version of me would love to co-create this. So you lean into energy of love and choice and creativity. So you're opening your intuitive guidance, your intuitive channel in the most powerful way. And whatever comes from that energy, be it in that moment when you ask that question or later on, it's gold. It's pure gold. These are the ideas, the guidance, the house, the next steps, the whatever that will help you to manifest this in so much more easier way than if you were like a kid on a playground. That's what we often do. And okay, I want that. How am I going to manifest this? What do I need to do for it? So much more powerful. So how would I, or this version of me, love to, what my heart expands, love to co-create this. So you're acknowledging you're never doing this alone. You're not meant to do this alone. You have all the angels, fairies, all the elements of the universe, the God itself, creator itself with you. You're held, you're co-creating this. And whatever comes through you, the how would I love to co-create this, whatever comes to you, is your next opportunity for embodying this energy of your true self. So take this as, okay, I'll accept it. I shall do it or don't do it or stop doing it, whatever that guidance comes through. Okay? So, shorty today. 2 powerful questions. What would I love to co-create next? And how would I love to co-create this? This is how you use it. Play with this. Let me know what comes with this. Let me know your takeaways in the comments. I'll hugely, hugely appreciate it. And lastly, a little favor at the end of this video. I'm hugely appreciating all of you who are benefiting and watching in some ways these videos, because I know it's benefiting all and more people than you. And what I would love, if you're not subscribed yet, if you do subscribe, because it helps me as a creator, as a woman, and it helps this channel. So in exchange, I will continue bringing you the value twice a week, more and more, and together we will create tremendous abundance, growth, and change in the world. So I thank you in advance if you subscribed already, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.